lesson, we're going to look at the setting up of a forwarding address and a blind carbon copy in the email setup. Let's dive into the screen share and find out how to do it. So you're going to want to start with your email services. Once you've set up the email services, you can see I've got a number of emails set up here. And there's two types of providers. One would be by default a known public, so Gmail, Yahoo, or SendGrid, which just already has the SMTP information baked into it. Of course, otherwise you would select other and add it in here. Now we'll talk about adding SMTP emails in the next lesson. But for now, when we're selected on one of these providers, what we're able to do is no matter which one of these providers we're sending from, we're able to add a forwarding address, and it can be multiple addresses separated by commas, and a blind carbon copy email address. Now, when would you use this? So, if you're working in any sort of system that requires like two-way email synchronization into, say, a CRM like HubSpot, like Salesforce, then you can immediately say that all emails will be integrated, those conversations will be integrated with those systems, because all those systems have publicly listed BCC email addresses that you can send emails to, which will attach itself to company contact records within those systems, so that all the conversations that are taking place in this system will also appear in those systems. So that is an incredibly useful and powerful tool that provides conversational integration with those systems without having to do anything other than paste an email address right here. Of course, if you do want to be notified in another inbox outside of the conversations inbox, then it's a good idea that you put a forwarding address in here as well. Okay, that is it. In the next lesson, we'll figure out how to add new email addresses as SMTP variables inside, and look out for the next lesson.